What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Zilliqa, which has pumped up just about 6% in the last 24 hours, making it just over 2 cents. As you can see, nothing major, but Zilliqa did have a lot of hype earlier this year where it was doing absolutely well. However, it has taken a major drop ever since then, and right now slowly starting to go back up, and it's currently trading at 0.02283. So we're going to be looking at, is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high this crypto can go, and especially with 2023 just around the corner. Is this a crypto worth investing into? And if so, when is it a good time to invest? Right now, or should you wait for it to drop back down? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down just about 0.02% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, actually very minimal. More or less it has fluctuated. However, Zilliqa has managed to gain value over the last hour, 3%, over the last day 6%, over the week 4%. As you can see, major drop here on the 13th of November, picked back up in value, and it's managed to go on the green side, and over the month it is 25% down. Major drop here on the 8th of November with all the other cryptos out there as well, going from about 3 cents all the way down to nearly the 1 cent target. And right now, it hasn't even recovered. It's gone even worse than how it was before. So yeah, no signs of recovery as of yet. Moving into the CoinMarketCap website, here we can see the trading volume has gone up by 100% in the last 24 hours, making it just over $50 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Zilliqa. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto at the moment. So we are seeing a lot of buyers and sellers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm going to hide this, and we're going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Zilliqa at 0.02542. However, it is trading at slightly lower value at 0.02304, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking very steep, meaning it is not realistic. And again, the only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. And again, yes, even though I am expecting it to increase in value over the next few hours, overall, let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting an overall minimal drop in value on Zilliqa. Again, yes, we may see an increase in value. We are going to see more green candlesticks over the next 3, 4, 5 hours, but after that, it's likely that we are going to see more red candlesticks. The crypto is starting to drop back down in value at a slow and steady pace, dropping down to about 0.022 to 0.021 is what my predictions are towards the end of the day today. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking bullish, still looking positive, and looking quite steep as well. So once again, it is not looking too realistic. So over the next few days, so let's say towards the end of next week, yes, we should expect an increase in value. However, we also should expect red candlesticks in between. So again, it's very likely it's going to fluctuate at the current price range over the next couple of days. But again, as I keep mentioning, red and green candlesticks are always part of the process, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. So fluctuating at the current price range over the next couple of days is what I'm expecting, so essentially towards the end of next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we have taken quite of a U-turn on the orange line. As you can see, the orange line has gone to facing towards a negative direction right now, and again it is not looking too steep, and the blue line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation is what we should expect over the coming weeks. I'm talking about late December, early January. So again, towards the end of this year, early next year, we should expect an overall, fluctuation in value on Zilliqa. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs, because as you guys would probably know by now, Bitcoin has a major impact on the crypto market. Obviously, like what happened on the 8th of November, major drop here. Bitcoin dropped from about 20k to 16, nearly hitting 15k, and that had a major impact on most of the cryptos out there. So again, we're going to have to keep an eye out on Bitcoin, on how it performs, for us to, more or less target the other cryptos to see is it going to move in a positive or negative direction. But again, anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, which is not looking too great. Not only are we trading in the red zone, but we are in the lower part of the red zone, meaning for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to at least 7 cents in target, meaning going for about 350 to 400% increase, which I'm not expecting from Zilliqa anytime soon. So more or less is very likely over the next 6 to 8 months, we are very likely to be trading in the red zone. However, that doesn't matter. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in the upwards direction, we should be good to go. So I'm expecting by mid to late next year, we should be hitting the resistance target and heading into the green zone. But again, I know this is a bit too early to judge on that, especially with, any crashes that may come across, or any major bull runs and price pumps that may come across in between that time can have a potential impact. But again, these are my predictions as of right now, and especially Bitcoin is currently trading at $16,000 when a year ago, exactly 12 months ago, it was trading at over $60,000, guys. So that is how much the crypto market has gone down in 2022, and it hasn't been a good year at all. But hopefully 2023 we should be able to see some more green candles, more all-time highs, and hopefully more profits on all our cryptocurrency wallets as well. So yeah, these are my targets and my predictions on Zilliqa. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your expectations are, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. So let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which will hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.